Welcome to my channel. My name's Anthony. Today we're going to be unboxing an artificial Christmas tree that we just purchased online. But before we get to that, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. So we've never had an artificial tree, but we've noticed over the past few years that the trees we bought have gotten more and more expensive and they die earlier and earlier. This year, our tree pretty much was dead 2 weeks before Christmas, and so we decided to take the plunge this year and go ahead and buy an artificial tree that we ordered online from Balsam Hill. We had read lots of reviews that said Balsam Hill had the best trees. We found one that we thought would work for us, and so we went ahead and ordered it. All we're going to be doing on this video is unboxing it and taking an initial look, as it is now January, and so we wanted to get a look at it before we put it away for the season, hoping that it's in good condition and not needing to be returned next Christmas. So here we go. As I mentioned, it's January. We bought this tree right after Christmas, had a very nice sale price, and now we're just going to unbox it. It came delivered in this big box you see here, packaged pretty nicely. It was not damaged terribly. So here we are. So it was not damaged terribly, other than a few dents in the box. Hopefully that doesn't affect the inside condition of the tree. So here we go, unboxing. This is my first look at it. Comes with this nice book here. Thank you for your purchase. Set that aside for the moment. In here, it is really packaged quite well. We were somewhat reluctant to take it even out of the box, as it's probably never going to be stored this nicely again. But as I said, I don't want to wait until next December to find out that it's in not in working condition. It comes with a storage bag. Again, set that aside. And inside we have the tree. Looks fairly realistic to me. So that's part one. Everything is wrapped nicely in bubble wrap. Another section. Another bag with what I'm assuming is tools. And the bottom section. So far, so good. This bag has a stand and what appear to be extra lights, maybe. Nice bag. Now that we're unboxed, I'm going to put everything together. Balsam Hill includes a very good instruction manual. Came in that little envelope I showed you earlier. It's actually quite nicely done with very specific and clear instructions. First thing we need to do is take the stand out of the bag. I didn't show you earlier, there were some additional things in the bag besides the lights. Balsam Hill also included some gloves, a little wrench, some extra pieces, as well as the remote for changing the colors. We're going to leave all that in there for now. Each one of these sections is marked, but we have to unwrap them. And so here we are unwrapping section 1. And you can see how nicely it's labeled. Section 1 with a tree shaping guide. We're not going to shape the tree probably. It has a nice little protecting cap, which we will keep for storage. Section 1 drops right into here, nice and easy. The instructions are very clear that at this point you should be separating all the branches and shaping the tree. I'm only going to separate it enough so that I can get section 2 in. Unwrapping the next section. This one is section 2, as again you can see, well labeled and nicely packaged. It has a little arrow here that we're going to line up over here. There's an arrow. I don't know if you can see that. There's an arrow right there that we have to line up. That's how you ensure it's plugged in correctly. So I line up my arrow just like that, and it drops right in. We have one more section to go. Move this over a little bit because I'm going to hit my garage door opener and my head. And here we have section 3. Also nicely labeled, also with an arrow, as we can see. And so we're going to take this one over, find the arrow up here, which is, hold the camera up. Here's the arrow right there. I'm going to line the 2 arrows up. And drop it into place. So the only thing left to do was to plug it in, which we did. Down here is the remote. We can change colors. We can go to all clear. We can go to all color, and we can go to color and clear. And it also has a dimmer switch right here, so the lights can go brighter or darker. Now it does come with a remote, which we would use from sitting on the couch. I'm not going to take it apart any further because I want it to be easy to store for the rest of the seasons until we're ready to open it up in December. That's the end of my unboxing and setting up video for this point. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video or if you'd like to see me do a review of it in the future. Have a great day and see you next time.